Welcome back to Wicked F150. My wife and I actually gave each other a couple presents early this year, and she actually got me the Putco stamped 18 F150 tailgate letters. So as you can see, they are already put on. I had to re-edit the video, but keep watching. You can see how it was done. Thank you. Now, since it is a little cooler today, the instructions for these, it said to make sure that the tailgate is at least around 60 degrees. So I did take a hairdryer to it to get it a little warmer so that these stick. This is the F. This is the colored side. And then I guess you just use 3M tape to get it to stick. Let's see how well this looks. Lined up right. I really think that's going to look amazing when it's done. Couldn't wait to have these. I was so happy she got them for me. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest and be right back. Okay, so I got the F, the dash, the 1, and the 5 done. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the 0 quick. I know it's going to be loud, but that way you can at least see the process and it's not just me talking. Now, I did actually mess up on the 5. I put it upside down because it still fits that way. But this corner is angled, this one's not, and that's how I noticed it real quick. So I had to pry it back off, hoping that it still sticks right, and it looks good once I peel the white off of the lettering. Let's go ahead and finish this. Okay, now that's nice and hot. Let's get this 0 put in here. Let's make sure it's right before I set it. Okay, there we go. So what I'm worried about with the 5 here, I had to pry it off. So you can kind of see a little groove right there. Right here and right there. Or I had to pry it off. Oh, I hope it still looks okay. But let's go ahead and peel it off and see what it looks like. I think that looks pretty amazing. Seen this on the F150 forum. I saw it on the Stage 3 Motorsports, their build. They actually started it with the $2,000 build. And it was actually this exact color and metallic kind of lettering that they put on the blue F150 that they're doing the build on. And I just thought it looked amazing with the white, and it really does. Now, let's see if the 5's all messed up. See a little bit here, but other than that, it's not too bad. I'm still happy with it. That looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let me know y'all's opinion in the comments. If it looked better before or now. I think this looks amazing. I mean, that 5 is going to drive me nuts. So as you can see, this is the finished product for the F150 stamped tailgate on the 18s. These are the Putco letters. And my wife got them off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I did mess up a little bit on the 5 here. Make sure that they are lined up correctly the first time. They stick like instantly. I'm probably going to have to end up replacing that 5 because it's going to drive me nuts. But give it a like, subscribe. Thank you.